message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But I'm heart so
So don't you say I'm escaping my side of the story. I've owned my mistakes, yeah, told you that I'm sorry. You can never do the same, 'cause to you it's all a game. Well, you won, now I'm gone, with my soul under my arm. You're right, I write a bunch of songs. It's my way of moving on. Now you're back on the run, and I can see that I was wrong. 'Cause the girl that I once loved is someone I made up. You can call me a parasite while I gave you all I had, but you know just as well as me, when you look in the mirror, you're like who you see. You're terrified of being just like your mom, being soft as dumb can be vulnerable. It's a shame that you've become the very thing you try to outrun, but at least you won, and I'm gone, with my soul under my arm. You're right, I write a bunch of songs. It's my way of moving on. Now you're back on the run, trying to convince yourself I'm wrong. But the girl that I once loved is someone you made up. Someone
and so new. A mind awakened, a world unfurled. Helen's words would change the world. Silent world, but a voice so strong. Helen's legacy lives on. Touch the